Hi, it's the Awesome Vegan Gal here, and I'm in the kitchen today. I'm wearing some green, so that might have to do with something. So this is a continuation of the series. I've done already 2 videos for the company called Actual Veggies. And again, thanks to Jason, Haley, and Bless. So I'm doing another interesting video. I hope you like it. I did already the black, the purple. Now this is the actual green burger. Again, I'll tell you a little bit about it in case you didn't watch the other one so you know. Just show you the packaging, and I will have a link below to their website so you can check out everything that they offer and what this is all about. So this is what the green burger looks like, and I'll show it to you. This is in its raw state, and I did bake it in the oven, so that's in its raw state. I will not touch it because when it's raw, you're supposed to have your hands clean, and they are, but that's just for you to see. Also, just something to make you aware of, and I think they're going to do some changes on the packaging is, if you don't use both burgers, make sure you put this into a sealed bag afterwards when you keep it in the fridge, because it will hold up for about 2 weeks, but you want to make sure it stays well. So once it's open, it should be in a sealed bag, a sealed like Ziploc bag or something like that. So to tell you a bit about the actual green burger, it's naturally colored, chef crafted. It's got different veggies in here. It's non-GMO project verified. It's plant-based only, no gluten, no soy, no preservatives. It's got 7 grams of protein, 7 grams of fiber, no saturated fat. And I'll tell you a little bit about the ingredients in just a second, just tell you a little bit more. It's also nut-free, vegan. It is, what else did I skip here? Some information I skipped here. It's also kosher. And the ingredients it has in it are kale, broccoli, spinach, pea, zucchini, navy bean, onion, hemp seed, quinoa, oat, cassava flour, parsnip, lemon, spice blend, which includes salt, garlic powder, white pepper, and ovata seed, which I found at Psyllium, just so you know. So anyway, you keep this refrigerator frozen. You can thaw it in the refrigerator, which usually is a good thing to do. Let's see what else to tell you. It's what they say. It's the actual green burger with nothing to hide. I do it in the oven. You can also do it in the skillet. There's different ways. People might try different ways to do it and different toppings you could put on it. And I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. I'll tell you a little bit about the nutritional information. I think I covered everything here. So it's there's 2 burgers, so there's 2 servings. 1 serving is 180 calories. It's got 7 grams of protein, like I said, and some of the nutritional information. 6% calcium, 10% iron, 8% potassium, 70% vitamin A, 50% vitamin C, and 130% vitamin K. That's basically probably from the kale, because kale is very high in vitamin K. So that's just some information just for you to know, and of course you'll look at it when you get, if you buy it, you'll see what it's all about. And it's pretty. They show the veggies on here too, a little bit on the side, and half of it's open so you can see the product in there at all. No fillers, no oils as well. So there are 1/4 pound patties, 2 of them in here. They're 8 ounces. Let's see what else to tell you. I think that is it for the information just in general. So what I do is I baked it in the oven, and I'm doing what I call burger bites in a blanket. And I'll explain that to you in just a minute, what that all means, with a tomato coconut cream. So I bake mine in the oven because I don't have a frying pan. I just don't happen to have one. So I do it in the oven. So this is what the burger looks like in its cooked form. That is the burger. And it's still hot. I could actually saw the steam coming up from it. And it looks really pretty. And you could see some of the veggies in here. You could see the oats. You could see that if you get real close. And it has a nice smell. So what I'm going to do is, I'm calling them burger bites in a blanket. So I'm trying to keep it green. I mean, I'm dressed green in the theme and the green. So what I'm using today is escarole. You could also use lettuce, any kind of thing. If you want to stay green, you could use other things to wrap. So I'm going to just show you what the escarole looks like if you've never seen escarole before. You could use lettuce, use whatever it is that you like that's green. So that's escarole. And I have 4 pieces, so I'm going to cut it into 4 pieces of the burger. So 4 bites. And then I'm going to put it in, this is the escarole that I have ready on the plate here. And then I'm going to take, combine, I have this tomato. It's actually crushed tomatoes, but it's kind of thick, just so you know, and it's from Eden. It's an heirloom variety, no salt added. It comes in a can. They also do them in jars, but I'll include the information below. So it's really nice, made of really nice tomatoes, very rich, flavorful. And then I'm going to use this coconut butter. It's from Artisana Organic. So I'm going to mix those two together, and that would go on top of the burger or drizzled around, however you like it, just to give it a little something different. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the burger now into 4. And I'm just going to try a piece now because I'm not going to consume what's going to be in the escarole, but I'll just show you. So I'm just going to cut this in 4 right here. And I'm going to take a little snippet just to try it for myself. To see how it tastes. Let me see, what am I tasting? Kind of a little chewy, but nice. Not sure what that was, but it's got a nice flavor. It's not strong. I didn't mention some of the other things. It's very high in fiber as well. But no, it's nice. It's very mild flavor. So that's why it's nice to sometimes dress it up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on the top of the part of the escarole. I'm just going to show you. So if I would do it in the blanket, what I would do is just roll it up like this. And then you could actually see it out of the escarole like that. You could do it like that. And then if you want to drizzle it on top, I mean, there's many ways you could do it. You could put the drizzle on the top here. You could drizzle it inside. So I'm just going to go ahead and lay these. And I'll show you I'm going to make the cream. So I'm just going to lay these on the top part of the escarole, which is the greener part. You could also make them into smaller slices if you like. It just depends. So that's kind of how it looks, if you can see that. Then what I'm going to do is first I'm going to take the coconut cream, which is thicker, and put some in this little bowl I have. So coconut cream, if you never, I should say coconut butter. If you don't know what coconut butter is, it's the whole coconut mixed all together. So it's not the oil, it's that whole thing. It's got a really nice sweet flavor, but there's no added sugar. So I'm going to take some here. I'll show you that in just a minute. And then just a little bit of tomato to mix in it for a little different flavor. And just for your own interest of information, if you're using tomatoes and using spoons, if you have a wooden spoon, that's the best thing because it tends to stain spoons. That's just the nature of tomatoes, especially if you have a paste or something like that. So let me cover that back up. And then I'm going to open up my can here. I did open it. I'm just going to open it up so it's really nice. Nope, I'm not going to pick it up when it's full like that because I don't want it to spill. But I will take some on a spoon and show that to you. So I'm just have to mix it a little. So I'll bring it over in the bowl and then show you as I drop it into the, see it's kind of thick. It's not watery. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to mix it. Oops, probably should have not mixed it with this spoon because I want to use that still. But okay, I won't. I guess I won't add any more tomato. So I don't have another spoon handy. So I'm just going to mix this. I could probably use, I'm trying to think if I have anything else around. I don't. My goof, that's okay. It's fine. It's just the idea of giving you an idea of what to add to your, oops, I got a little over there, so I could use that. Just got to wash my hands off real quick here, excuse me. So now you're going to see what this looks like. It's kind of creamy. If you want it more saucy, so to speak, you could do that. But here's kind of what it looks like mixed together. If you want to add your own fresh herbs to this, you can. Things like basil, cilantro, parsley, rosemary, thyme, whatever you like. But I'm just going to keep it as is with that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a little bit on. So it's more creamy than saucy if you like it. Like I said, if you like it that way, you can. But I'm just going to, I'll probably put it on one to try, and the rest is going to go for pictures. So just kind of mix this up a little more. Get it a little more mixed into it. So there we go, just for you to see. And then I'm going to put some on one of the top of the burger here, and I'll show you that. So I just put some on here like that on top of the burger, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap it You can actually put some on the bottom too if you want it on both sides. We could do that. That might be nice, and then maybe you'll be able to see that. I could show you. So I put some on both sides of it, and then I'm going to roll it so my burger bites in a blanket. So then you can kind of see the cream between that. So then I'm going to go ahead and take a bite. Mmm. That's very nice. Has a nice flavor, nice balance. So that is the ideas for today. I'm sure you can come up with some of your own, excuse me. And you're welcome to share that below the video if you've already tried these and you kind of make things with them. So I hope you'll definitely check out this brand and their products. And this is, again, the actual green burger from Actual Veggies. And I thank you for watching. It's the Rawesome Vegan Gal.